Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to talk about a powerful tool that can make lesson planning easier and more effective. It is called the ADDIE Model, which stands for Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement and Evaluate. Whether you are teaching math, science, language, arts or social studies, this simple framework helps you create lessons that truly engage students and improve learning outcomes. First, let's talk about why ADDIE is important. Teaching is more than just delivering information. It's about helping students understand, apply, and remember what they learn. The ADDIE model gives you a clear roadmap to do just that by breaking down the planning process into manageable steps. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can focus on one stage at a time, ensuring that lesson is thoughtfully created and effective. Now let's look at how you can use ADDIE in your classroom with some real-life examples. Number 1. Analyze. This is where you figure out what your students already know and what they need to learn. For example, if you are teaching fractions in maths, you might start by assessing students' current understanding to identify gaps. This helps you tailor your lesson to their needs. Number 2. Design. Next, you plan your lesson structure. For a science class on plant life cycle, you might decide to include a mix of videos, hands-on activities and quizzes to keep students engaged and reinforce learning. Number 3. Develop. Here you create all the materials you will need. That could be worksheets, slideshows, experiment kits or reading passages. In language arts, for example, you might develop a story-based reading assignment accompanied by comprehension questions. Number 4. Implement. This is the teaching phase. You deliver your lesson using the materials and activities you prepared. In social studies, you might lead a class discussion about a historical event, encouraging students to share their thoughts and ask questions. Number 5. Evaluate. Finally, you check to see how well your students learned the material. This could involve quizzes, projects, or simply observing how students apply what they have learned in class. Based on their performance, you can make adjustments for future lessons. By following the ADDIE model, you create a cycle of continuous improvement. Each time you teach, you learn something new about your students and refine your approach. This not only boosts student success but also make teaching more rewarding. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.